Hi guys, so today we are taking classic fried rice to the next level with a Goan twist, restaurant style Goan Choris fried rice. We are combining the spicy tangy goodness of Goan Choris with perfectly cooked rice and vibrant vegetables for a dish that's both comforting and exciting. If you are looking for a fried rice that's anything but ordinary, you have come to the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to make this unique and delicious dish right in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, and fry it until the ginger garlic is nice and golden brown. Then add 2 potatoes cut in small cubes and fry it until the potatoes are nice, crispy and golden brown. Then add 2 cups green beans cut finely, 2 cups carrots cut in small cubes, 2 cups bell peppers cut in small cubes, and fry it until the vegetables are nice and soft. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2 tablespoons Goan rechado masala. Check the link in the description below for the recipe. 2 stock cubes and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the rechado masala is nicely cooked with the vegetables. Then add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 30 to 35 Goan Choris or sausages and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 large bowl cooked rice, 1 teaspoon dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons butter, half cup fried brown onion. Add some chopped coriander leaves, add a pinch of salt, and then fry the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure the rice is nicely fried with the vegetables. So the Goan Choris fried rice is ready. And there you have it guys, our wonderfully flavorful and vibrant restaurant style Goan Choris fried rice. I hope you give this unique fusion recipe a try and experience that incredible blend of spicy Goan Choris with classic fried rice. It's a true taste of adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you loved it and subscribe for more exciting recipes. And let me know in the comments how your fried rice turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.